all right, I found a new method. Literally the fastest freaking method that you can use to make $10, $50, $100,000 online. And if you implement this today, I guarantee, it's a guarantee, double your money back. I don't even care. I'll give you money back, send you $1,000, do whatever you want. I'll guarantee make more money, okay? And that's by doing one very, very simple thing, which you can do today. And if I told you that you could do this thing today and you would make double your money, would you watch the rest of this video? I'd bet probably. So watch this damn video because I'm gonna explain it to you, okay? Here's the thing you need to do. If you want to make a lot more money, you have to change your identity. What do I mean by this? A lot of people say they want to make money, but guess what? Their actions don't reflect it. Their inputs don't reflect it. Their calendar doesn't reflect it. Their day-to-day life does not reflect it. If you want to get better at something, you better do that thing entirely. For example, let's say you are a believer in God. You can't believe in God if you just show up to church once a year on Christmas, listen, go, wow, that was great, and then go back to completely disobeying the word, not following the Bible, and all these other things, right? Like you can't call yourself a believer of God in that case, right? Just because you show up to church once a year and then completely disregard everything else, that's not how it works. You don't just get to pick and choose what parts apply to you and when you want to use it, right? Similarly with making money. If you want to make money and you truly want to get better, it can't be something you just kind of like dip your toe into and get a little bit better. You have to fundamentally change the way you see yourself and change your identity to become a new person. And as a matter of fact, I'm glad we're filming this video because this right here is Enoch. Okay, he's sitting right here. And Enoch, a couple months ago, knew nothing about sales. He was a complete drone, a complete bot, just an absolute bozo, okay? Just some degenerate little kid, right? He's still young. Enoch, how old are you? Hey! How old are you? How old are you? 16. He's 16, okay? He's 16. Oh my God, you guys are gonna get mad when I tell you this, okay? He went from being some little bozo to now making, I don't know how much he makes, maybe like 10K online as a closer. Maybe more, maybe less, I don't know, give or take, depending on how many deals he closes, from making literally nothing a couple months ago. Now, how did he do this? Well, I'll share you because I've been living with him for the past couple of days, past couple of weeks, actually. This fucking kid is the biggest grinder I have ever seen. He literally eats, sleeps, and breathes sales. People go, oh, I wish I could be good at sales. I wish I could close. I wish I could learn objection handling. I wish I could be like Enoch. I wish I could be like Bill Walsh or this or this or this or that. They say that, but then guess what? They say that, and 5 seconds later, I don't know if you guys can do that, but 5 seconds later, they'll go back to laying in bed, doom scrolling TikTok. Right? What people say they want and their actions, they don't match. And you don't get what you say you want. As a matter of fact, literally saying you want something is an emotional trait that like women do. And so, like, even if we go talk to about masculinity at its core, masculine people just do. They don't plan about the future. Oh, in the future, I'm gonna do this and do this and do that. Guess what that's doing? It's emotional. That's literally you emotionally feeding yourself to make yourself feel good. Okay, that's a whole separate topic we can talk about in a different video. We won't do that right now. Okay. But go back to the thing. You have to change. You have to literally do the things that will actually get you the results. And so to give you the example of Enoch, okay, this fucking guy, bro, I kid you not, literally eats, sleeps, and breathes sales. Okay, he wakes up and he's on sales calls, and then when he's not, he's doing call reviews, and when he's not doing call reviews, he's getting his call reviewed. Okay, and when he's not doing that, he's reviewing his calls back or looking up new ways to be better at sales. When he's at the gym, you know what he's doing? I literally, the other day we're at the gym, I forgot my AirPods. Enoch has AirPods. I was like, yo, give me an AirPod. What are you doing? He's like, oh, I'm just listening to Bill Walsh. I don't give a fuck. Let me listen. The whole time in the gym, just listening to Bill Walsh, getting better at handling objections. Actually, that specific thing, video is talking about future pacing, how to future pace properly. Okay, we get back. What's doing right now? Sitting on his computer, probably doing some shit on sales. Just what he does. This guy, he literally goes to bed, probably has AirPods in, listening to sales the whole night, listening to sales frequencies. We'll be watching a movie, he'll be sitting there learning different sales videos. That's all this guy does, okay? And then you wonder why he makes more money than you. Because that's his identity. He literally identifies, if I ask him, how do you identify yourself? He says, sales. That's what he says. It's not he, him. It's not the man, it's sales. That's it. Salesman, sales. That's it. That's how he literally identifies. And that's why he makes more money than you. That's why he makes more money than most people. Why? Because that's his identity. It's literally how he identifies. It's how he operates. Wakes up, sales. Sleeps, sales. Eats, sales. Gym, sales. It doesn't matter what he's doing. It's sales, sales, sales. Why? Because he wants to get better. Because he wants to get better. He actually wants to do that. And so whether you're in sales, whether you're in agency, it doesn't matter. But if you're not every single day, if your life isn't revolved around that thing, you don't really care. Right? You don't really care. I'm sure there was a point in your life where you were probably addicted to maybe a certain sport, maybe a certain video game. What did you do in that time? Well, I could probably guess because I myself have been in those similar situations. I remember way back in the day, I wanted to get good at Fortnite. As a matter of fact, I used to be a pro Fortnite player. I made a couple $1,000s. Fun fact, right? And so what I would do is every single day, the second I would get home from school, I'd play for hours and hours and hours on end. And when I was done playing, I would go watch Arab. If you guys ever know him, he's actually now like a popular vlogger, or his name's Arab, whatever the fuck his name is, right? He now like vlogs him going like Haiti and like getting like put in jail and shit like that. Crazy, right? But I'd watch him and he'd do like these inside of the mind videos to show how he thinks about the game. And then I'd go watch streams and see like different edits people are doing to see how I could learn them. And then I'd go and creative and practice them for hours. Wake up and do the same thing. And that's all I could do. That's all I could think about. That's all I could talk about. That's all I was doing, is trying to get better. And guess what? Eventually I got really good. I was one of the top 100 mobile players in the world. I put an iPad with like, I actually put 5-finger claw like this. And that was really good. Made a couple $1,000. Pretty damn cool. Okay, pretty cool. And like my life has been the same, right? I just get compulsively like addicted to these things, right? At some point it was volleyball, at some point it was hockey, at some point it was hunting, at some point it was camping, and then at one point it became making money. Woohoo, right? And I just became addicted. Like it became the only thing I could think about. It's all I could think about is making money, making money, making money, making money, making money, make money. That's all I could think about is how to make more money. And guess what happened? I started to only watch videos on how to make more money. I started to only find ways to make money. I started to only do things that made me more money. And guess what happened? I made more money. Why? Because that's all I did. It's all I could think about. It's all I could talk about. It's all I could dream about. And then it became a reality. You see, a lot of people, what they want to do is they like to have it backwards. They go, man, once I make a lot of money, then like I'll go all in my business. Then I'll quit my job. Then I'll drop out of school. Then I'll start, doing all these videos and staying up late and doing this and doing this and doing this and doing that. But that's not how it works. You don't get the goal, then do the actions. As a matter of fact, it's quite the opposite. You have to do the actions long before you get the goal. Think of it like the gym. I'll give you a practical example. If you are fat, you're big like this, okay, you're big and obese, right? And you want to get fit, you don't say, man, once I get fit, I'll start eating healthy and going to the gym. Yep, once I lose some weight, then I'll start going and eating healthy. Like you would look at that person and go, dude, you idiot, that's why you're fat, right? TLDR, that's why you're broke. It's because you do the same thing, right? What you actually have to do is say, okay, I have to start going to the gym. I have to start eating healthy. And as a byproduct of me eating healthy and going to the gym and watching what I, consume and cleaning up my diet and sleeping well, I am going to get in shape. But I have to do these things well before this happens. It's the same in business. It's the same in making money. And a lot of people want to just disregard that because why? They want the easy way out. So long story short, if your identity is not the thing you want, you will not get it. Okay? Simple as that. Okay, if your identity is not the thing you want, you will not get it. So if you want to become better at sales, you better watch literally nothing except for sales, right? I'm talking about like when you're in the car, when you're on the train, when you're in the bus, when you're at the gym, when you're eating food, when you're taking a shower, when you're shitting, when you're doing your morning routine, right? When you're doing whatever, all you're thinking about, all you're talking about, sales, and we're not doing that, you're doing sales. You're actually on sales calls, you're reviewing sales calls, and you're looking for ways to get better and better and better and better and better and better and better, right? You're investing in coaches, mentorships, programs, you name it, right? You're training people to help you out, trying to get more people to learn from, right? Because it's your identity. Okay, and this goes for agencies, it goes for anything you want in life. Maybe it's even sports, right? If you want to get really, really good at a sport, you don't just like practice 1 hour a day. Like, no, you like think about Kobe. Did Kobe like just do like basketball like on the side? No, it was his life. It was his identity, was basketball. He'd eat, slept, dreamt, thought basketball. That's all you can think about. And well, we kind of all know Kobe, and we all know him for being really good at basketball and being a hard worker. And we also know him as being one of the greatest basketball players of all time. Why? Because that was his identity. So you just gotta have that mindset shift. If you really want to be good at something, okay, you have to do that thing religiously. For example, if you wanted to get closer to God, religiously learn about it. Read your Bible, right? Like go find people who can help you understand. Go talk with people. Go to church. Like do all these amazing things, right? And whatever you put your time into is what you'll become, and those are the things you'll get. So I hope that this helped. Change your identity and it'll change your life. And it's the fastest way to make more money because you can literally change it today and make more money tomorrow. Not many hacks can do that, right? There's not a certain script that maybe can do that, but this mindset shift, this identity shift, right, will completely transform your life. So go apply it. Yeehaw, cowboy.